Hello everyone, my name is José Mauricio Pérez Sierra. In this is the presentation of the technology evaluation and negotiation. Step 4. This is the problem to negotiate biological products. The three problems, and the first is the problem related to protection of the intellectual property. Uh, this this is the problem related to intellectual property is that being a fairly extensive field of science. There may there may be different problems that allow leaks or copy technology develops which will be resulted in great failure in the protection of the intellectual property of the surrounding technologies. A problem related to value technology. Uh, the problem related to the evaluation is that the evaluation must be in accordance with the need and requirements of the clients, and that all the components that were part of the developments are included. And the problem related to negotiation is the problem related to the negotiation emphasize all the requirements that this technology must have, so that is clear for the future viewer. All the parameters must be clear, and that allow to reach an agreement. This my team is technology transfer, and the definition is it is the movement of technology and or active knowledge that can that can include both the knowledge and the technical elements that are supplied from our supplier to its recipient will acquire said technology through monetary remuneration. The technology transfer aims not only monetary but also to promote knowledge and enrichment as a part of the development. The recommendation is responsibly manage technology transfer. Can transmit the necessary resources so that companies or individuals can dynamically carry out their activities and implement new technologies that allow the development of society. This is my presentation, the reference, and thanks for watching.